Imagine freezing a moment in time, a time when beauty and perfection are at their peak. With Audi Aftercare Vehicle Loss Privilege Program, that dream is a reality with coverage that assists with replacing your Audi, regardless of partial or total loss from things like collision, fire, and theft. The coverage has several comprehensive and key benefits. With a partial loss, like a fender bender, your insurance company will repair your car, but you could have a damage record on the vehicle's history, and that can decrease its resale or trade-in value. But with a partial loss event privilege, you'll receive an in-store loyalty credit towards your next Audi purchase or lease. If your vehicle were to be declared a total loss as a result of collision or theft, and your insurer only wants to pay fair market value, that may not provide you with enough money to replace it. But with a total loss event privilege, you will receive an in-store loyalty credit toward a replacement vehicle. With the negative equity privilege, in the event of a total loss, you will receive an in-store loyalty credit for the difference between the outstanding balance of your loan and the insurer payout. Under theft privilege, if your vehicle is stolen and is declared a total loss, you will receive an in-store credit toward the purchase of a new vehicle. So, with products that are fully backed by Audi Canada, the Vehicle Loss Privilege Program provides an entire suite of options so that you can protect your financial investment. And that moment in time of beauty and perfection, you can freeze it, and it'll be waiting for you every morning. Visit your Audi dealer for more details on the entire suite of Audi Aftercare protection plans.